Okay, welcome back, Liam. All right, welcome back. So now let's continue. Okay. All right, so Liam, are you there? Where are you, Liam? I can't see you.
Yeah,
Oh, you're here. Okay, can you open your cam? All right. So let's continue. Okay, since you are 11 next year, and then this year you celebrated your birthday. Okay, so can you tell me about your last birthday? Can you tell
it
me what happened?
is funny.
Oh, funny. Why you said your birthday or your celebration is funny?
Uh,
Because
because but they have a present and cake.
oh,
Uh,
okay. And then what else?
and go to the beach.
Oh, so you visited a beach? Did you
Yes,
swim there?
yes.
Wow, what a nice place to celebrate your birthday. All right, so next year, or yes, next year, what do you want and where do you want to celebrate your birthday?
Uh, is at the school at my house.
Okay, so you want to celebrate your birthday only in your house, right?
Yes,
Okay, that's a good idea also that you don't need to go outside to celebrate your birthday but only in your house. Okay, very good, kid. You answered the following questions. You answered successfully. Because of that, I will give you an amazing clap. One, two, three. One, two, three. Zing, zing, zing. Amazing. Yay. Are you happy?
yes.
You learned something?
Uh, yes.
All right. So, do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. If there is no question, so let's proceed to the next lesson. Okay. All right. So well done. Next, proceed to. Okay. So let's have again. Tell four differences between pictures one and two. So four differences only. Okay. So I will give you time to gather your answers.
In the picture one, the the umbrella is closed, but in the picture two, the umbrella is open. In the picture one, there is a museum, but in the picture two, there is a hospital. In the picture one, the teacher is go inside, but in the picture two, the teacher is out, go outside. In the picture one, the violin is near to the boy, but in the picture two, there is a drums is near to the boy. In the picture one, the children, the two children are standing, but in the picture two, the two children sit down on the bench.
Okay, so that is your answer.
Yes.
All right, thank you very much, Liam. So as you can see, there are five differences between the two pictures. So first, okay, can you please read these words?
Umbrella is closed,
And
open,
umbrella is
open.
okay. So this one, the umbrella is open, and the other one is open, and the other one is closed. The next we have here museum,
Museum,
hospital.
hospital,
Okay, then how about this? The teacher. Where is he going? In the first picture.
inside,
Okay, inside the school. Then how about in the second picture? He is
he
going
is going
to
outside.
outside. Okay, next. How about the boy?
The
What
is
instrument? It's a
violin is nature boy.
violin. Can you say it again? Violin.
Violin
Okay, and how about in this picture? What instrument?
is a drum.
Okay, very good. It's a drum. So do you know how to play drum or guitar? What instrument? Do you know how to
Uh,
play?
yes,
What
sometimes I play.
instruments? What
Uh,
instruments?
I don't know.
You know how to play guitar, piano.
Yes, I have a pin. I know.
Okay, wow, very good. You are good in playing piano. Okay, how about, all right, how about these girls? These two girls.
They standing.
Okay, very good. So we have how many? Okay, all right. So do you have any questions, Liam?
No,
You raise your hands.
no, I doesn't have a question.
Okay, so again, can you please read these phrases? Start with umbrella,
Umbrella is closed, open. Museum,
museum,
museum, hospital, inside, outside, violin,
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 drum,
drum,
standing,
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 sitting,
standing.
standing,
Okay, sitting.
standing,
Okay, so
sitting.
that you would not be sleepy, let's stand first. Stand. Let's stand up. Okay.
Say was
Stand up. You need to stand up and sit. Stand up, then sit. Okay, so that is standing and sitting. Okay, next. Next one is okay, now let's exchange information. Okay. All right. So we have here Sarah's book and Harry's book. So they need to exchange information. So who gave book of Sarah?
Is her mom.
All right, her mother. And then what is the name or the title of the book?
Cat in a hat.
Okay, Cat in the Hat. And then what is all about?
A funny cat.
All right, a funny cat. Okay, now what is the sound of a cat?
Huh?
What is the sound of a cat?
Uh,
What is the sound of a cat? Sound.
a funny cat.
It's a meow, meow. Is that the sound of a cat?
Yes.
Okay, can you do it? Meow.
No.
Why?
I don't know.
You don't know how to say it? Okay. Meow.
It- It's not easy.
You. It's easy. You need to try next time, okay?
Yes.
All right. Next. Okay, so when did the book finish?
It's last weekend.
Last
Last weekend.
weekend. Okay, and then is this an interesting book or a boring one?
Is interesting.
Okay, it's an interesting book. All right, so next, proceed to the next one. We have, okay, now, how about Harry's book? Who gave it to Harry? This book.
Is his friend.
Okay, and then what is the title or the name of the book?
Silver cup. Silver
Silver Boots.
boss.
Silver
Silver boss.
Boots.
Boss.
Boots with S. Boots.
Boss.
Okay, then what
Boss.
is all about?
Footballer.
Okay, and then when did the book finish?
Is yesterday.
All right, so this book is an interesting or a boring?
Is boring.
Oh, it's a boring. While the Cyrus book is an interesting. Okay, very good. Next, proceed to. Okay, now we need to tell the story based on the prompt pictures. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, next. All right. So, this is Harry. Okay, this is Harry. Okay, so what do you think? Harry is late. All right, so Harry is late. So, what do you think is the story?
Uh, Harry is woke up, but his surprise. Uh, he's running to the bus. He ran to the school. Uh, but
Okay,
But
so let's go back first in the first picture. So Harry is late to wake up. So he is late to wake up. Again, what happened to Harry?
he is
He is late. That's why the bus left her. So the bus has already
he
left.
run to
He ran to the
left.
bus. Okay, how about in the picture three? What happened to Harry in picture three? It's already thing. What is that? It's already this one.
Like
What do you call this?
uh,
It's a bell. Ting.
it's
So
a
that's the
bell.
bell. So it's already time. That's why Harry is running and he is run out of
To
time. So he is late. Okay, so Lim, when you are going to school, are you late also?
yes,
Oh, why? You late also to wake up in the morning?
yes,
Why? You don't sleep early?
yes.
Okay. So you need to double time so that you would never be late. Okay? All right. So how about picture 4? What happened to picture 4? Is the teacher angry
Uh,
or he scolded Harry? What do you think happened in picture 4?
uh, the teacher say to the uh,
Okay, so
Harry,
let's continue.
uh,
Harry scolded by the teacher. Okay, then how about the last picture? Her mother and father, his mother and father angry?
her mother and her
His
father is
father.
very
His
his
because he is a boy. Okay, use his. His.
his his mother and his father is very angry.
Oh, yes, very angry. What do you think? Why they are very angry?
I think Harry go to the school very late
Yes, very good. And then that's why
and it's
that's
uh,
why
um,
okay, that's why he needs to be not to be late so that her mother and father, his father, I mean, and mother would be angry. Okay, next, proceed. Okay, now understanding and responding to personal questions. So this is a personal questions. Okay. How many brothers and sisters have you got, Lim?
I have one brothers and one sister.
Oh, so you are three siblings because you have brother and one sister. Okay, then how do you go to school?
Uh, I go to school by car.
Wow, do you have car?
Yes,
Very- Okay, and then where do you do your homework? Where do you do your homework?
I do my homework at house.
Okay, so you do your homework at your house. And then what do you usually eat for breakfast when you are going to school? What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Uh, I usually uh, eat fish and soup and rice for breakfast.
Wow, so you eat fish, soup, and rice. So what a healthy food. Okay, tell me something that you would wish for. So what do you want? What would you wish for?
I wish I go to the country,
What country?
Canada
Wow,
and
Canada.
Brazil.
Brazil?
Yes,
Oh, why you choose that two country, the Canada and Brazil? What would you want to see in that place?
uh, I don't know.
But you want to go there.
Yes,
Okay, so Teacher Kim has also want to go to Korea and Switzerland. That my biggest dream that I want to travel. But you want to Canada and you want to go to Brazil. Oh wow, what a nice country. Okay, so do you have any questions?
no,
All right, so did you understand?
yeah, yes,
Or I am too very fast.
yes,
Oh, I'm very fast, so I need to be slowly when I'm talking to you. Is that you want?
no,
No? No? Why?
I don't know.
Okay, so again, Lim, what is your favorite sports or hobbies?
My favorite, what favorite?
Hobbies or sports?
Happy.
Sports?
No,
What is your favorite sports?
my favorite sport is football.
Oh, football. Do you know how to play football?
Yes,
Oh wow, that's good. And also football is a good sports that you can um and you can exercise your body also by running and catching the ball. Okay. So are you good? Where is
yes.
your left?
Uh,
Where is your left hand?
I don't
Left
know.
left hand. Where is your left hand? Right hand. Okay. So, clap your hand. Okay. So, now let's proceed to the next lesson. So, I hope you learned something from our discussion, Liam. Okay, next. And then happy to share my knowledge with you. Okay, well done again, Liam. So now let's proceed. Okay, so here, another differences between the pictures 1 and 2.
Yes,
Okay, this one. Give me the things that they are differences from the other picture.
In the picture one, the back the back is next to the man, but in the picture two, the the valley is next to the man. In the picture one, there is an island, but in the picture two, there is an island. In the picture one, the the grandfather is eating ice cream, but in the picture two, the
The man,
grandparent, the man is eating
pizza.
a pizza. In the picture one, there are three clouds there, but in the picture two, there are two clouds. In the picture one, the boy is playing the drums, but in the picture two, the boy is playing the train. In the picture one, the girl is wearing a t-shirt has stripes, but in the picture two, the girl is wearing a t-shirt has a sports. In the picture one, the man has a long hair, had a straight hair, but in the picture two, the man has a curly hair. In the picture one, the woman throw the book, but in the picture two, the woman throw glasses. In the picture one, mm, there isn't a duck, but in the picture two, there is a duck. In the picture one, the octopus next to the boat, but in the picture two, the opposite is in front of the boat. In the picture one, the helicopter is on the right, but in the picture two, the helicopter is on the left.
Okay, thank you
Fin-
very much for differentiating the difference things in these pictures. Okay, so as you answered earlier, in the left side, the man is eating an ice cream, and then there is no island, and then the boy is holding the drums, and then the woman is getting the book, while in the other one there is an island. The girl is running with her eyeglass, and then the man is eating pizza, and also the boy is playing a toy train. Okay, so Lim, we will continue this on the next class, this task. Since it's already time, Lim, we need to stop here. And thank you very much for having our class tonight. And then see you next meeting. Okay, so for now, bye bye. Thank you, and thank you
Goodbye.
very much. See you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.